Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to find out who is hiding your stories from someone else's account. Maybe someone has created an empty account and is secretly looking through your stories. And you want to find out who it is. How do you do that? Very simple. For example, I put up a story and there is some account in the views. For example, this account right here. I need to remember the name of that account. Now I need to go to my profile. I press this button and add a new account. And here we enter the name of the account that we remembered. Now I click Forgot Password. Here I click Continue. And now I can see the last two digits of the phone number of the account I want. If it's someone we know, we can track them through our contacts. So that's a cool way to do it. I hope it helps you. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.